Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm here to show you how to craft different alchemical potions and elixirs and even like tools like fire bombs inside of Baldurs Gate 3. And the long and short of it is, long as you're pack ratting and gathering up every crafting material that you find while you're playing the game, like different herbs and different crystals and different pieces of different animals that you slay on your adventures, you should have more than enough materials in order to craft a lot of the different things in this game. To do the crafting, you can open up your inventory and there's a tab at the top that looks like a little potion. That's your alchemy tab. And then here you can craft things like the potions and the antidotes that I was talking about. And they're usually a combination of like a salt or a suspension or an essence combined together in your portable little menu here, and it spits out the potion or elixir or firebomb of your choice. The different components themselves generally require 3 of the crafting materials from the environment combined together to make like an essence of swarming toadstool, and then you combine those together and then they spit out a elixir. Now, when you want to find different potion recipes or different elixir recipes, there's a couple different ways to do that. One of them is if you encounter a new crafting material, your character will generally automatically learn how to make like the essence or the salt from it. Now, that also kind of follows along with when you find all of the different crafting components and then make them into the base components to make like a potion. It'll then teach you how to make that potion. Other things require you to do things like read books or read scrolls or other crafting ingredient lists that you find or buy in the game in order to know how to make that on the fly. So don't be afraid to read books. Like there's literally in the destroyed village at the start of the game with all the goblins in it, there's a potion of how to make healing potions. There's just a book on a table you can grab. That's a good example of one. I'm sure you can probably also find them from vendors. So keep a lookout for vendors with recipes in their inventory. And then, just make sure you're gathering up all of the different items that you find, especially the herbs, because those are the critical main component in pretty much everything that you're going to want to make while you're on the go. Because who doesn't like having lots of free healing potions, especially when you're fighting a big nasty boss? So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody. And have a good one.